Hi, welcome back to our channel, Where to Next, and today I will be doing a Target and Dollar Tree haul for our next vacation, which is my first ever cruise. All right, so let's get into the things that I recently picked up, okay? So I'm gonna start with my toiletries first. One of the first things that I got, which I absolutely love, is the EOS brand. So I have some 24-hour shea butter lotion, love it. I love the way it feels when it goes on, and it keeps you definitely moisturized all day. The other thing that and I'm sorry, by the way, I got this from Target. I probably should have separated this, but I'm just gonna pick it up and I'll tell you along the way where I got it from. Got this from Target. Dove has this new plant milk soap. I absolutely love it. It makes your skin feel so clean. You know, sometimes you can use a bar soap and it leaves like a film. So I love this soap. Typically I use like a body wash, but this soap is absolutely amazing. Another thing that of course I purchased, toothbrushes, definitely gotta have that, okay? You don't wanna be on the cruise, you know, mouth a little tart, along with mouthwash. Some other things that I got were wet ones. I'd be able to sanitize and cleanse my hands. And then of course I have some cotton nail wipes. Now these are not for my hands. This is to wipe the hiney, okay? I'm not quite sure, you know, what the tissue situation is gonna be like on a cruise line. I don't know if it's too thin, I don't know if it's gonna be too rough. So I like the cotton nail wipes. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got some Sea-Band for nausea. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna have motion sickness or I'm gonna feel nauseated, but I did get this along with some Dramamine. And this one is the advanced herbal one. Got these from Target as well. Okay, what else do I have here? Oh, I got this from the Dollar Tree, which is just some antibiotic ointment. Something similar to like Neosporin, just in case I need it. Hopefully I won't. I did pick up a first aid kit. Could you pass me that, please? My lovely daughter is here with me. She's made my Vanna White tonight. So I got a first aid kit, and I'm gonna take this kit, pass me the larger one, please. And I'm going to place it inside of this one, along with my other medications. So things like the antibiotic ointment, Band-Aids, gauzes, things of that nature, any Benadryls or any stomach medication. I did grab a few things like Pepto-Bismol. I think I grabbed some of that. And I think I grabbed some like Imodium or generic Imodium medication, just in case anyone has an upset stomach that I'll be able to use. Things like that I'm gonna place in here as well. A few other things that I did get, I got some off bug spray. I'm going to the Caribbean, so I'm gonna spray down with this, of course, before I get off the ship. And I did get a Tide to Go stick. These things definitely come in handy if you have a tendency to get stains. Sometimes like we do when traveling or when eating or things of that nature, you can cleanse your garments. Another thing that I got from Target that I thought was super cute, and I have watched some videos and saw that it is highly recommended to get a collapsible bottle. This was only $5 at Target. I do know that they sell them on Amazon, but honestly, I can't remember the cost of them on Amazon, but I got this from Target today, and I thought it was super cute. I can clip it onto a bag, so I'm excited about that. I can use this to be able to, you know, refill it with water or other drinks, so I'm excited. I did get this bottle because I am an ice lover, so those days when I'm not doing excursions or going off the ship and I just want to carry my bottle around, of course it does have a handle, I can still, you know, clip it to something, so I'm excited about that. And this was actually on clearance. I do love clearance. It was like $4.50. Let's see here. I did get some flashlights. Now, why would I need flashlights? But I did watch another video, and another YouTuber, I believe her name is Melanique Floyd. Check out her videos. She's awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed her cruise essentials video, but she suggested a flashlight because when you turn the lights on in some of the cabins, for some of the cruise lines, that all the lights come on, so especially if you have to go to the bathroom at night, a little flashlight may be helpful. So I thought that was a very good idea. So I have an extra one that I can toss in my suitcase and another one that I can throw in my car. Something else I got was like the 3-in-1 set. So I have like Q-tips and gauzes, as well as cotton balls. So I can be able to, like, you know, cleanse my face, things of that nature. What are some other things I have here? So again, just giving reference to like the Imodium and to the stomach relief. So I'm gonna place those inside my first aid kit as well. All right, what else do we have? I have been cleaning my, when I travel, I clean like the hotel rooms. I disinfect them prior to the pandemic. So I'm definitely gonna do this on the ship as well. So I did get some gloves so I can be able to clean before I get in and get everything settled. Not only did I get gloves, but I also got this little wand here where I'm gonna be scrubbing the toilet with to cleanse the toilet. And I'm also going to pick up some Lysol as well. And I do know that they have disposable bed sheets. You can grab them off Amazon. I'm gonna grab that as well, in addition to some bed bug spray to spray everything down. And I'm gonna get a nice room spray because when I travel, I do like for my hotel room to smell like home. So I'm going to get some room spray so I can spray my cabin as well. Oh, another thing that I did pick up was this. So I used this when we went to Mexico, something similar. We took a trip to Mexico recently and we've been, I think, like 3 times, but we like to use these when we go in the water. So this is basically just a waterproof phone case. I got this from Target. I'm hoping that it's, you know, a good one, that my phone doesn't get damaged, but I'll definitely be putting my phone inside of this when we're out at the beach or at the pool. And I think this was, I don't know, I might have paid $3. No, it's $1. I paid $1 for this at Target. Another thing I picked up, I got this from the Dollar Tree, just kind of like a word find for C days when I'm like have nothing to do. So I can be able to kind of do like a word search, and I'll also pack a book possibly. I did get some sticky notes. I will be taking my laptop and iPad with me, but I did get some sticky notes for those that do not have Wi-Fi that I travel with. I can be able to leave them like a little note on the door or something to let them know where I am if they're trying to find me. I saw something similar to this with some other YouTubers. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It was on like $3. And these are the little clips. Could you open this for me? So where you can be able to clip your towel to your beach towel or your Carnival towel to your chair while you're on the cruise, or even when you get ready to get off for an excursion. I thought that was a super cool idea, and I think those clips are just super cute because word on the street is if you misplace their towel or don't return it, then it's like $20+. Yeah, no, she won't be doing that. So I will be packing towels from home because this is something that I like to do. But in case if we do need a towel for Carnival, if we do choose to use one of their towels, then I'll definitely be using these little towel clips. Look, oops, hold on to it now. The flip-flops, isn't it super cute? And it just kind of like opens up like that. So you can clip the towel to the back of the chair, and it's also a great identifier. So I'll know that these are mine with the cute little flip-flops, and I'll probably like put my initials or something on the back of the flip-flops. So I thought that was adorable. Another thing, oops, that I did pick up, oh, I dropped that one. Of course, shave cream, okay? So the EOS do have the shave cream, travel size, love it, right? Pardon me, I have to bend down here because I dropped my hand cream. And I did also get the EOS hand cream as well. Just gonna put these, we'll put this inside my bag so I can have in the airport. And of course, this is just lovely little travel size that I can be able to use. And I also picked up this little mini razor, super cute. Got this from Target as well. And the travel size EOS brands I did get from Target, but I'm not sure if Walmart has it. It possibly does, but I did get these out of the travel section at Target. And I was super excited to see the EOS brands in travel size. All right, what else do we have? Oh, I think I did those already. All right, I got this little document holder or expandable folder from Dollar Tree. Now, when I went to Mexico, I made a copy of like my resort information. I made a copy of my passport. I made a copy of my transportation confirmations, and I stuffed it all in my fanny pack. I had it like folded really neatly in my fanny pack, and I had it labeled for what it was. But again, Melanie Floyd's channel, I saw what she uses kind of like an accordion style folders, and I thought this would be super cute that I could keep in my carry-on with me, as opposed to just having everything like folded, stuffed in my fanny pack, that I could put this in my carry-on, put a copy of my passport, just in case you didn't know, your passports when you travel, you should always make a copy. Of course, make a copy of your photo page of your passport initially when you get it. I like to tell people, keep one in your safe if you have a safe, or keep it in a secure location at home, and also let people know where that is for those that, you know, in case you need it, in case someone needs to get to it. And additionally, you know, keep a copy with you when you travel, okay? So you can leave your passport inside the cabin safe. When you travel seaside or inside, if you choose to leave it in the resorts or your hotel safe, you can. But for me, I have like a secret compartment in my luggage that I like to leave mine in or take it along with me. But typically, you probably shouldn't take that with you in case you get lost, and just keep your copy. But that's for a whole nother day, whole nother video. Okay, for those of you that didn't know, I am a travel business owner, and I do travel with my family, and that's just some of the tips that we use. Now, I know I'm doing this out of order, but it's okay. So this is a toothbrush protector. So just gonna clip it over the top of my toothbrush. Now, if you're looking for perfection, then you're not gonna find it in this video tonight, okay? So this is just a realistic viewpoint, and we're gonna have fun while doing it. Another thing I picked up, I think I got these from the Dollar Tree, with just some, again, TSA size travel bottles. I can put some various products in. I thought this might come in handy. And of course, for those that, well, got some Tampax, some tampons, and for those of you that use them, I like to use these, especially while traveling. And if you have plans to go in, like, to the pool or sit at the pool, I like to take these alongside so you can at least sit comfortably and enjoy your family, if you're one that doesn't swim while you're menstruating, okay? All right, I got a lovely spray bottle now what would I do with this spray bottle? Honestly, it was super cute, and in my mind when I was picking it up, I was thinking, I can do something with this. I had something else planned that I was going to do, but honestly, I can just, of course you can't bring an iron with you on the ship. You can't bring a steamer, and I am one that does not care for wrinkles. I do not like my clothes to be wrinkled. And yes, tonight I am in my pajamas, so it's a little wrinkle, but it's okay. But spray bottle, of course, for ladies, if you wear your hair braids or twist, or you know, if you may need to spray your hair before combing it or flat iron it, no matter what your hair texture is, a lovely spray bottle can get the job done for you. This is going to be my little document folder. So instead of having everything just kind of folded up in my fanny packs this time, I'm going to actually put it in the folder, put it in my, well, this little sleeve here, and this little pouch rather, and then put it in my, what do you call it? Carry-on bag. So that way I'll be able to have access to everything from my hotel reservations for when I do land and go to the hotel, in case I need a copy. And that's just in case if anything happens. Of course, we know we are living in a world that is full of technological advances, and because of that, things happen. So if there's a glitch in the system, I like to keep a copy for that, or if something happens to my cell phone, or if my battery dies, or whatever the case may be. So I have that as well for that. And also I'll be able to put boarding passes and things of that nature in this document folder. Now, because I do not like wrinkles, and this is the last thing that I'm going to show you all before we get ready to end the video, I have some Downy wrinkle release. So I'm going to spray my clothes with this, and I'm going to hang my clothes in the cabin and just hope and pray that they're not super wrinkled. So I want to encourage you, if you're someone that does not like wrinkles, okay, get some. This is it. All right, guys. Well, that's it. That's it for now.